Hi, this
This
Tech
apps
Determine gonna show
appears
you
show you.
how to change clock font on iPhone lock screen. Follow these easy steps to easily change these lock screen clock font size. First of all, you have to open your iPhone lock screen. To open lock screen, swipe to the bottom from top left corner. And once you are in your iPhone lock screen, simply long press on a empty space, and here tap on customize and tap on lock screen. Now tap on clock, and from this available font you can select any font for your clock. You can use the slider to make your clock font bold. Here you can change your clock font color. Once you are happy, just tap on this cross button here and tap on done, and that's it. This is how we can change our clock font on iPhone lock screen. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.